Are you building an actual community online? Is your Facebook and Instagram page just another place where you post content with very little purpose or reason why the people following you should actually pay attention? I look at a lot of content every day because it's my job and because I'm interested in the ways that businesses encourage their audience to actually engage with it. But it's a struggle today because most businesses are just pushing content at people and hoping that the audience will react and respond in some particular way. But that's really not a strategy that's going to work very well, because turning attention online into inquiries and sales takes a hell of a lot more work than that. I think you've got to look at this a bit like making a sandwich. If you just get bread and the ingredients and just chuck it all together, that's not a sandwich. You have to take your time to actually plan out what you're going to do. You have to put the bread in the right place. You have to put the chicken in the right place. You have to put the salad in the right place. You also have to do things like think about what sauce you're going to put on it and what that end product is going to taste like, to actually make sure that it's the real thing and that people like it when you give it to the guests that come to your house, for example. And then people are satisfied with the result. If it's not what they want and it doesn't satisfy them and it's just a chucked together nothing, it doesn't have the same response from people. They kind of look at it a little bit unusually. I think when you're creating online content, it's important that you look at this the same way. You've got to think about what's going to make it special. You've got to think what's going to make your audience pay attention and really take some kind of action. So if you find this stuff very, very difficult to do for your audience and to get people to engage with your content and really make it stick, maybe one of my social media master plan sessions might help you. So what we'll do in one of these is we'll spend some time together to craft messages for you with the full focus on getting your audience properly engaged. They're going to be more likely to buy from you if they understand what you're talking about and what you can actually do for them that will solve their problems. So I'll help you get this right every time if we spend the time together and do one of these master plan sessions. To sign up for it, I want you to text the number that's down in the comments below this post, and we'll just get you hooked up straight away. And remember, if nobody sees your content or knows who you are and what you do, the work you do online is just not going to lead to sales, which is the end product for all this stuff for people in business. So get in touch today and we'll start doing what we can to start to change this for you.